If you're under 20 and don't know these 7 skills yet, you're already falling behind. And the scary part? School probably won't teach you a single one of them. These aren't just skills. They're the difference between waiting for opportunities and creating them. A blank document transforms into a high-converting sales page. Emails generate replies, and products begin selling automatically. Skill 2, basic video editing. Because every business today needs content. Footage transforms into polished videos. YouTube views rise, TikTok feeds scroll, and brands start contacting creators. Skill 3, cold outreach. Knowing how to ask for what you want without fear. Young entrepreneurs send messages, deals close, and the camera follows the digital journey of a successful pitch. Skill 4, reading contracts. If you can't understand a contract, someone else will profit from your ignorance. Red warning icons appear over hidden fees. A confident entrepreneur signs only after understanding every single section. Skill 5, personal branding. People don't trust logos, they trust people. Followers increase, comments flood in, and a personal brand grows into a recognizable media presence. Skill 6, negotiation. Every price is simply the beginning of a conversation. The numbers change, value meters rise, and both parties walk away with a better outcome. Skill 7, saying no. The highest paid people aren't the busiest, they're the most selective. The calendar clears, focus returns, and deep work begins. This is where the real income follows. You don't need all 7 today. One skill mastered this month can completely change the direction of your future. Skills compound. Income follows. Start now.